Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
We can beg. In India, is still high scholarly sannyasis. They beg. That is allowed. Bhikkhu, they write Tridandi Bhikkhu. So begging culture is neither illegal nor sinful. Why the proper first? Begging is allowed to the brahmachari sometimes. And they write often Tridandi Bhikshu. Bhikshu means beggar.
Tridandi Bhikshu.
Yes. Here in the Indian culture, brahmachari, sannyasi and brahman, they are allowed to beg alms. That is Vedic culture. And the householders treat them as their own children. This is the relationship.
But what if it's done in a culture where this is entirely different?
Therefore, there are hippies. This is their culture. Hippies and modern in the name of religion. This is their culture. And abortion, because there is no such culture, therefore the result is the abortion and killing and bombing, making the whole atmosphere abominable. This is your culture. Fighting between Protestants and Catholics, and bombing. People are terrified. They cannot go out in the street. This is your culture. And begging is bad. To keep the people, whole population in terrified condition, that is very good. And if anyone in a humble way begs, that is bad. This is your culture. Vedic way allows the brahmachari to beg just to learn humbleness, not beggar. Coming from very big family, large family, they practice it. This is not begging. This is to learn how to become humble and meek. And that's where to be humble and meek, God will help you. It is not begging. You do not know what is this culture. You have your own culture, devilish culture, to kill even one's own child. How will you understand what is this culture? Am I right or wrong? Yes, it's like in culture. You have got 4th class, 10th class culture. How will you understand the culture of becoming meek and humble?
The district attorney who was trying to prosecute Adikeshava, he reveals his strategy here, because many lawyers say that we have a right to practice our religion. This is freedom of religion. He says,
This is bona fide religion.
He said, but it's not a question of religion. He said, mind control has nothing to do with religion. It's a question of individual free will. I don't think an individual in his right state of mind would allow someone else to control his mind. Just think of it in terms of hypnosis.
Mind control is everything.
anything.
You are trying also, they are there also trying to mind control. Our mind, kidnapping by force. This is not mind control. They have already given up their mind to us, and you are trying to control his mind by force, deprogramming, kidnapping. This is not mind control. Here his mind is already in Krishna consciousness, and by force you are trying to deviate it. This is not mind control. And your mind control is good, my mind control is bad. That is pure love. So everyone, very rascal will say, my activities are good and your activities are bad.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,